Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we are going to talk about how to revive houseplants. This video will take you through steps to follow to have your houseplants thriving once again, so stick around for the best guide. First, confirm that it is worth saving. Trying to revive a dead plant would be a waste of time and energy. It is therefore necessary to confirm that your plant is worth saving before making any step. Look out for any green left on the leaves, stems, or roots. Additionally, ensure the roots and stems are not soft and weak, but instead are still firm. When you are sure that your plants still have life in them, then take the next steps. Get rid of dead leaves. Take your time to take out any dead leaves using shears or a pair of scissors. Leaving shriveled and brown leaves on the plant will suck the nutrients and moisture from the rest of the plant. If you are repotting plants because of pests and fungi attacks, thoroughly clean the roots, since pests and fungi can easily remain in the soil and cause havoc after a short while. Check for signs of overwatering. A common reason for your houseplants to die is when they are overwatered. If the soil gets waterlogged, air cannot circulate well, and the roots suffocate. Ensure you water the plants in intervals, and when you notice water sitting for more than 24 hours, drain it immediately. Water the plants if they are underwatered. It is common for plant owners to forget to water their plants. Underwatering leads to dehydration, so you will have to rehydrate your plants. The best watering method is the bottom watering method, which involves watering the plants from the bottom. Soaking the soil with water will ensure the plant roots get enough and, after a while, recover. Expose the plants to sunlight. It is possible that your plants stay in dark corners and hence do not get enough sunlight. Find a good spot and place your plants in direct sunlight so that they get the nutrients they need. Always avoid direct sunlight since it is too harsh for your houseplants. So there you have it, reviving houseplants should be that easy. Follow the steps and your houseplants will be thriving in no time. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.